Hello, good morning, everybody. Today's our topic is Porifera specimen, which is present in our syllabus for the study. That is the Psychon. So, Psychon, basically the Psychon, the classification is that Psychon. Phylum is the Porifera, class Calcarea, order Heterocylla, genus is the Psychon, or also it is called as the Cypha. The Psychon, which is the marine sponge, and they are attached to the substratum or solid substratum by the sticky secretion. That is nothing but the Psychon. The first we have discussed about that the structure. In case of structure, external morphology, it is wedge shaped and radially symmetrical. You can see in this diagram, it is wedge shaped and radially symmetrical animals. It has the several number of cylinders. Simply in this diagram, there are the three cylinders which we can see. The two large cylinder and small bud is present. The body bearing the minute pores, that is called as the ostia. Through that ostia, water goes inside the body. Through that ostia, water goes inside the body. And there is at the distal or the pre-end of each cylinder, there is the large opening which is present, that is called as the osculum. That is called as through that osculum, water goes outside the body of Psychon. Because of that, is also called as the excurrent pore. In case of the osculum, particularly they have encircled by the monaxon spicules. Monaxon spicules, which is called looking like a crown, and because of it is termed as the oscular fringe. Then the internal structure. In internal structure, the Porifera's animal, they are diploblastic. In diploblastic means there are the two germ layers are present. In case of Poriferas, outer layer, that is called as the pinacoderm, because it is consist of the pinacocytes, and inner layer, that is called as the choanoderm, because it is consist of the choanocytes. Then in between them there is the mesenchyme is present. First is the pinacoderm. It is made up of thin polygonal cells called as the pinacocytes. It is highly contractile, means they can expand and contract. It is highly contractile. Again, that pinacoderm, there are the exopinacoderm and endopinacoderm. That name indicates exo means which is present in outer area, and endo means which is present in the inner area. Means that exopinacoderm, which covers all entire the body, except there are which is the pores are present, means nothing but the ostia. Through that pores, water goes inside the body. Osculum, these are the pores. Only there is the exopinacoderm is not present. Otherwise, the exopinacoderm, which is cover the all the body. Endopinacoderm, which covers the epithelial lining of incurrent canal and the spongocysts. Again, this is the body wall is straight, but when it becomes the folded, when that body wall is goes in infolding, that is called as, and after that the infolding of the body wall, there is the canal which is formed, that is called as the incurrent canal, and when outfolding of the body wall, there is the canal which is formed, that is called as the radial canal. Particularly that endopinacoderm, which is present in this spongocyst and in this incurrent canal. Okay, some pinacocytes which is modified into the porocytes, and because of that which forms the prosophiles. Prosophiles, which is present between the incurrent canal and the radial canal. There is the opening which is the present, that is called as the prosophiles. Next is the choanoderm. This is the one of the important cells which is the present in Psychon. That is the made up of large flattened cells called as the choanocytes. There is the oval shape or the rounded shape, single nucleus is present, and two or more contractile food vacuoles which is the present, and single wheat like flagellum is present is there. That is the choanocyte cells. That this cell is very useful in digestion, respiration, and also the other function. In between them, pinacoderm and the choanoderm, there is the mesenchyme which is the present. There are the different, it contains the amoebocytes. which again modified into the various types of the cells, means which is depend on their function. First is the archaeocytes. That archaeocytes which are the totipotent cells. What is meant by totipotent cells? They have the capacity to develop into the total cell, any types of the cells. That is called as the totipotent cells. We have seen that means plants, when we have just break the branch of that plant and then just we have put in the pot. Ultimately, from that branch, the plants is developed. Why? Because there is the totipotent cells are present. Likewise, in case of the cycon also, if suppose small branch is also the detached from that, and again that particular portion, if suppose there is the archaeocyte cells are present, that portion is also developed into the full animal because of that archaeocyte cells. Next is the collencyte cells. Simply that name indicate all these cells. Collencyte cell, that is nothing but the connective cells which formation of network. Next is the chromocyte cells, that is nothing but the pigmented cells, because of that which gives the color to the body. Next is the thezocyte cells which store the reserve food material. Myocyte cells, that is nothing but the muscle cells which is the highly contractile cells. They are regulate the closing and opening of pores, that is nothing but the ostia and also the osculum, and also the other opening which is the present, that is nothing but the apophyles. They have control that by the myocytes. Then scleroblast cells which form the skeletal, that is called as the skeletal cells, which secrete the spicules, and ultimately that spicules is nothing but the act as the skeleton in case of the cycon and in case of the poriferans. Last cell, that is the gland cells. We have seen that cycon, they have attached to the substratum. Because of that, these gland cells, because they have produced the slime, and because that slime, with the help of that slime, that animals, they have attached to the substratum. There is all types of the cells which is the present. Pinacocyte cells, then myocyte cells which is the present, then porocytes. Here is the this is the porocyte cells which is form the prosopiles, which is present between the incurrent canal and the radial canal. Then this is the thezocyte cells which storage the food particles. Then chromocyte cells which gives the color to the body. Scleroblast cells which gives the spicules. Archaeocyte cells, they have the totipotent cell, they can develop into the any types of the cell. Collencyte cells which forms the network, and that is nothing but the sperm and the ovum. And this is the choanocyte cells which is present in the inner layer. Next is the skeleton of sponges. In case of the cycon, there is the calcareous spicules are present. Again, that spicules are of two types, monaxon spicules and the tetraxon spicules. If suppose the uniradiate or the biradiate shapes like slender and the curved needles which is the present, that is called as the monaxon spicules. And if suppose there is the triradiate or the tetraradiate, then it is called as the tetraxon spicules. So today we have discussed about that the structure and the skeleton. In next lecture we will discuss about that the reproduction of cycon. Thank you very much.